Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to clip points to a specified boundary. To do this, you'll require two types of shapefiles. One representing the features you want to clip, and another representing the boundary to which these features will be clipped. So the first step is to bring these layers to your map canvas. Navigate to the Layer option, select Add Layer, and then Add Vector Layer. Go to the directory where your shapefiles are located. First, add the point shapefile. Simply click on it to select, then click Open and Add. Following the same procedure, add the polygon shapefile. Once added, click on Close. Now you'll notice both layers displayed in the table of contents and on the map canvas. Move the point layer above the polygon layer by dragging it. Alternatively, you can drag the polygon layer below the point layer. This ensures we focus on points entirely contained within the polygon, which are the ones we want to clip. You can now clearly see the points falling within the polygon. Go to Vector, select Geoprocessing Tools, and then Clip. This will open up this page. Under the Input layer, select the point layer. Under the Overlay layer, select the polygon layer. Specify the output location. In my case, it's already specified. Click on the Save to File option. Specify the file name. Preferably, the file name should be shorter. I will simply call it Western Cape or WC Suburb Clip and click Save. Hit the Run button to execute the clip operation. Once finished, close the clip menu. Our clip operation was successful. We can deselect or uncheck the old points so that only the clipped points can be displayed on the map canvas. Right-click on the polygon layer and select the option Zoom to Layer. This will show the full spatial extent of this layer. Right-click on the point layer. Select Properties. Here you can change the color. Click on Simple Marker. Select the Fill Color option, where you can choose the color of your choice. Here, I will choose red. Now, right-click on the polygon layer. Go to Properties and then click on Simple Fill. Click on Simple Fill, expand the options. On the drop-down menu, select Simple Outline. Leave the color at its default settings, only change the outline width. This can be changed under Stroke Width option. Increase the width to the appropriate size. Here I will set it to 0.86 millimeters. Click OK to apply the changes made. You can now see the polygon layer is hollow, clearly showing all the points. You may want to zoom in and out using the zoom tool. Thank you for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up.